This is our homework practice for second grade for 12-2. Again, we're looking at measuring in inches. It says this bead is about 1 inch long, and this bead is about 2 inches long. And again, we're looking at that halfway mark, halfway in between the 1 and the 2. If it's less than the halfway mark, it's going to be closer to 1. If it's greater than the halfway mark, it's going to be closer to 2. So we're just taking a look at them and making guesses. We're not going to do half inches and quarter inches and all that right now. We're just going to start with regular inches, getting to the closest inch. Okay, so the height of a book. I'm going to say the height of a book is about 10 inches. But when I actually measure my book, it's going to be 12 inches. Now, every book is going to be different. If you have a Magic Treehouse book at your house, it might be shorter than my Teacher from the Black Lagoon book. Okay, so these answers are going to be different than what you have. The length of a pencil, I'm going to use my pen. I'm going to estimate my pencil is about 6 inches. And then I'm going to measure. Oh, look at that. It's right about 6 inches. So that was a good estimate because it was close. It wasn't too far away. Okay, let's take a look at our back page here. We're going to go on to our number sense. It says estimate how long the path is to get out of the maze. So what we want to do, I'm going to go ahead and draw a line. I'm going to say we need to go here to here. I'm going to draw my line to get out of the maze first. Let's see. Here to here to here to here to here. Okay. Gosh, now I have to estimate. I'm going to pretend I've got my paper clip is about 1 inch. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to guess it's about 9 inches. Okay. So it says draw a path from the start to the exit. Use a ruler to measure each part of your path. Add the links together. About how long is the path? So we're actually going to measure it now. And I'm going to actually use my paper clip. Oh, let's see if I can do it this way. All right. So that's about 1 inch, 2 inches. Let's see, this here, about 3 inches, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 8 inches. And you guys might get it a little bit differently just depending on how long you did your line. It could be stretched out a little bit more, and that's totally fine. How close was the answer to your estimate? I was 1 inch too long. Okay. Higher order thinking. Gina says this straw is about 2 inches long. Sal says it's about 3 inches long. Who is correct? Explain. Now, it doesn't even tell us to measure it. We'll measure in a second. But if I know a paper clip is about 2 inches, about 1 inch long, I know just by looking at this, this is longer than 2 paper clips. So I'm going to say Sal is correct. Sal is correct. Now it says explain. So we need to say because. Because I see that the straw is longer than 2 paper clips. Okay. All right, in our assessment, use a ruler. So we're going to use a ruler now. Measure the length of the pencil in inches. What's the correct measurement? Now, just without doing it, I see all these abouts. The about is going to let us know it's not going to be exact. It's going to be close. So let's see. It is, ooh, look at this. It's kind of between the 3 and the 4. Here's the halfway line. It's closer to 4. It's not quite 4, but it's closest to 4. So I know that it's going to be about 4 inches is the closest guess. All right, great job, everybody.